Alright, good morning. It is day 3 of our Iceland trip, and I don't think it gets much better than this. That right there, just behind where we are camped out, is a freaking glacier. That's right. We slept basically at the foot of a glacier. This little creek, river, whatever, that's all runoff from that glacier there. So I fell asleep to the sound of a nice little river. It was pretty nice, gotta say. So I think the last few days kind of haven't been vlogging too much just because I've just been super tired. The first day we were super exhausted, and I don't know, we've just been driving around a lot. So today I think I really want to step my game up on the vlogging, because I know when we get back home, and if I don't have much, I'm going to kick myself in the butt and just be bummed. So today I'm going to try and get everything. So I got up about maybe 15 minutes ago. I just walked around, took some photos. Been getting in the habit of getting up at 7 every single day we're here. I'm getting right up at first thing in the morning. Michelle needs a little bit more sleep than I do, so she's still in bed sleeping. I'll get up and I'll get us breakfast going, but usually first thing is get up, go for a little walk, take some photos, warm up my drone batteries, and put the drone up. So I'm going to do that now. Put the drone up, some breakfast, organize the vehicle, get it cleaned up and ready to go, and then we are headed that way, down that road along the base of that mountain there. I believe we are headed towards Hoffen, and then going north past that. So stay tuned. We're at Diamond Beach, and as we were on the road, I caught a glimpse of it, and I already know I'm about to have my mind freaking blown. Michelle, you agree? She agrees. She doesn't know what I said, but she agrees. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, oh, look. Okay, let me just take a moment here. Oh my goodness. There's dudes on boats out there. Oh, okay, let's get closer. This is freaking insane. So we're gonna walk down and go up over here. This looks like a lot of the icebergs are close to the shore over there. Go check that out. Man, I can't get over this. I cannot get over this. Just look at it. Absolutely insane. So excited. I've left Michelle way back there. And lots of boats out there. Just trying to find the perfect spot for a photo I have in mind. Insane. I really feel like I could spend a whole day here, but We are making our way back to the vehicle. It's starting to rain a little bit, but this place is amazing. This is definitely one of the top places for me so far. What do you think, Michelle? What do you think?
This is for sure the coolest.
For sure the coolest place we've been, I would agree. Like, look at the light hitting there
Like,
on the mountain there.
You can't get a bad photo, you can't get a bad video. Everything looks good.
It's incredible. Look at that, the light hitting that mountain. Incredible. Alright, a couple more photos and back to the car and on to the next spot.